Hi, my name is Justin. I'm the co-founder of Wanex Energy Technology. We design and manufacture battery packs systems here in Shenzhen. There are hundreds of battery manufacturers out there in this city, so why should you choose us? Let me begin with a story of a client of ours. Back in 2021, there were a 5-person startup in the United States. They came to us needing battery cabinets, small volumes with custom-made wiring harnesses and specific system configurations. At that stage, no large manufacturers will take them seriously. We did. Over the following years, we've had more than 30 online sessions, troubleshooting issues, verifying schematics, integrating energy storage system into its energy management platform, solving technical challenges side by side. Today, that client has completed more than 50 sites across the west coast of the United States, and they've grown from 5 people to nearly 100. That's the kind of partners we are. We're certainly not the big manufacturers here, and we won't pretend to be. But we are serious about batteries. We understand them deeply, the chemistry, the control systems, and safety. Whether you are evaluating a sample or trying out 1 or 2 units, or looking for a long-term OEM partner, we will work with you with honesty and with integrity. That is how we conduct our business.